Hello everyone, welcome back to another Anything for Life video, and today we are going to be unboxing my brand new Magic Keyboard. So this is the Apple one for Mac and also for iPad, I presume. And so this is a Touch ID model. It's just gonna be a quick unboxing just for you to see it, and also just be how to connect it up to your laptop, etc. Into it. So this is the outer packaging, and so over here is the seal. Because there's a bunch of stuff. So let's open up from here. This is going to be a little green check mark. Pretty straightforward. Do that. Then I think, oh yeah, okay, let's get from the other side. Okay. Ooh, look at that keyboard. Okay, so here we are. This is the Apple Magic Keyboard. Wow, there's so much to look at. Okay, oops, I did that. Okay, so in the box is obviously the keyboard, and then a USB-C to USB-C cable, presumably to charge the device, and also a little pamphlet. So look, there's that. Let's try to be really careful as we try to open this. Is there really a safe way to take this off? I don't know. Let's try taking off these clasps first. Right. That one comes off. Let's take that one off. Now, how are we supposed to take this one off? Let's see. We just... I don't want to damage the packaging. Oh well. That worked. I don't think I broke it, so that's good. This is intact. But yeah, let's look at this pamphlet as well, and we can just put this one away. Okay, so here's the little cable. It's wired as of typical with all Apple chargers and accessories. We have this little pamphlet here. Let's take it up. Again, don't want to mess with any of this, so let's just take it off. Okay, never mind, it's glued to the back one. But let's see what's here. Not sure what that is. I think this is a... Oh, ew, that's disgusting. And I think this is the manual. So this will tell you how to set it up. Okay. So yeah, let's now look at the actual keyboard. We can put this back into the box with that little thing that we saw earlier. So I probably should do this and put it back into the instruction box. Alright, there we go. Okay, it's back there. Okay, it's back in the box. And now, we can open this one up. Okay. Whew, okay. So I think it's from here. So let's just do that. Oh. There we go. Perfect. Let's put that one back as well. Woo! That is the keyboard. Let's look at it. Looks pretty good. Back is the standard Apple logo. There we go. And now we can actually start setting it up. So apparently the easiest way to do it is to plug in this end like that, and then plug the other end into your MacBook. So let's try it like that. I'll move that one there, and let's connect it up. I don't really see anything, nothing really happened. So let's just see. It's connected up, as you can see here. So I don't know what exactly I'm supposed to do next. I think press this lever. So let's do that. Is that green now? Oh, something happened. Do you want to connect? Let's click allow. Let's see. Your keyboard is now wirelessly connected to your Mac. It's great. Now, if I unplug, will it work? Welcome to Apple. I didn't even... Okay, hold on. Let's just close that. Alright. I unplugged it, but it says it's still connected. So that's great. So that's that. This is my keyboard now. So let's just test if it works. Let's just do a quick little test. That's actually not that bad. Gotta get used to not having the delete key at the very end of my keyboard, which is gonna be a little bit weird. But yeah, so it's really good, and also if you see here, it is at like a little angle that makes it really comfortable to type on. So that's pretty good. And I love that it's wireless as well, because it looks just so clean. But yeah, I wonder if it also shows up on Bluetooth. Let's just try that out. And so yeah, it does say like Narish's Magic Keyboard. That's pretty cool. And I love how it's Bluetooth connected, even though, what do I say? It's not like, I never went into the Bluetooth settings and did that. It just connected, I just connected the cable up and it did it, which is cool, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. It's a really good keyboard. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that was a very simple unboxing and I guess a setup, if you would call that a setup, of the keyboard. It's actually pretty decent. It's literally the exact same thing as my Mac keyboard, but like an external one, which is pretty good. And I love that it's wireless too. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope you had a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.